guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiki and I basically do natural hair DIYs, give tips, and I also have a natural hair care brand that you definitely want to check out. Okay, let's get into it. Today I have a very special video for you guys. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to make the most extreme hydrating detangling jelly. Okay, so to make this, you're going to need Ambunu. You're going to need flax seeds. Also going to need an aloe vera plant. So first things first, I'm going to boil my Ambunu leaves because Ambunu needs time to settle, to thicken up. So we're going to boil the Ambunu first, and then we're going to use that water to boil our flax seeds. This is my first time doing this, so let's just hope this comes out right. Okay, I'm going to blend my aloe vera separately, and then we're just going to combine everything together at the very end. So let's do this. Let's just pray to God that this comes out right. All right, y'all, so we're going to prepare our water. I have a bad habit of making too much of one recipe, so we're going to actually use measurements today. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of Ambunu, and then we're going to add that to our water and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Now we're just gonna cut up our aloe vera so that we have it when we need it. You just wanna stir this occasionally. Let's turn it down too. This is already starting to thicken, so we're gonna hurry up and cut up our aloe vera. Getting all my money's worth. Yes, I know it's just $1, but and I like to strain mine while it's still hot. That way it's not too thick. Just like that. Let me show y'all what that looks like. Ooh. Let me just finish recording this part. Ooh. Get into the curls though. What? Y'all see? Ooh, so cold on my head. Those are curling, guys. The curls are curling, yeah. like after we add the Ambunu. I'm trying to hurry up before my hair shrinks up. It's actually starting to shrink up already, but this is what my hair is looking like. I did make sure to apply it directly to my scalp as well, so that the Ambunu is able to cleanse my scalp before we actually go into shampoo. And this is the amount of hair that came out, which is not bad at all, because your girl ain't washed her hair in like a month. So that definitely helped with retaining my length and not breaking off my hair. All right, y'all, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So with this mask, I typically leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then go in to wash it out. But so far I love this stuff. My hair loves this stuff. It's drinking it up. Okay, and it's definitely shrinking up as well. So we're gonna wrap this up here. If you guys decide to try this mask out, let me know how you like it. But my hair loves this stuff. It's drinking it up. Super hydrating. My hair is super soft, if you guys couldn't tell. Detangled very well as well. So yeah, if you guys try this, let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.